Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to prepare a paratha using beetroot. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before you move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's make the beetroot stuffing. For that, I've got a pan on fire, poured some oil into it. Now let's add some cumin seeds into this. We'll just let the cumin splutter. So once the cumins are done, I've got finely chopped green chilies in here. You can also alternate this with some chili powder. Add the chilies. In here I've got one medium beetroot which I've finely grated. Now we'll cook this until the beetroot becomes a little dry. Now into this we'll add sesame seeds and crushed coriander seeds. Mix that well. Add salt to taste. Mix everything together. And cook it until it becomes nice and dry. So the mixture is dried up nicely. Now we'll add in a handful of chopped coriander leaves to this. Switch off the flame and we'll cool the mixture completely. So the stuffing is cooled completely and is ready. I had already made the paratha dough and kept it ready. This is just whole wheat flour, salt and water, and I've made it into a soft dough. I've rested this for around 15 minutes. Now let's start making the parathas. So I've taken a portion of the dough and I'm rolling it into a small round disc, and then we'll put the stuffing in the middle and close it from the edges like this, like we do with a regular paratha. Once the edges are tightly closed, we'll just flatten it out. Put some atta over the paratha and then using your fingers just press the edges like this. Once that's done, we'll roll it like a regular paratha. Let's make the rest in the same way. So I've placed a pan on fire. Let's transfer the paratha to it. And you can grease it with some ghee or oil. Once cooked from both sides, you can remove it into a plate. So the beetroot paratha is ready. You can serve this with some raita or any sabji of your choice. I hope you will try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time with a new recipe. Bye bye.